Okay, so imagine wandering into your local Costa on a Monday morning and bumping into a scorpion, sending his frappuccino flying everywhere. Well, I'm going to share with you a similar modern day cautionary tale in the hope that you avoid a nasty sting at the end of it. And it starts with a rather unnerving observation that there's a significant proportion of people doing this. Flatlining. Okay, well, technically they're alive, they've got a pulse and a heartbeat. It's just they're not really living. They're going through the motions without emotion. The world seems a little bit flat, a little bit dull, unexciting and ordinary. And okay, they might have the odd up or the odd down, but nothing that really sets the pulse racing. And one of the worst things about this is that it's kind of come to feel normal. Take a look around and lots of other people are living their small, flat lives too. And we just kind of accept it, that that's how it is, and that's how it needs to be. But it wasn't always like that. There was a time when life wasn't monotone, it was full colour, high definition, and it was really exciting, worth getting out of bed for in the morning. Think back, and with a little introspection and retrospection, you can probably remember, I don't know, hurtling down the side of a snowy hillside on a toboggan time and time again until you couldn't feel your feet and your fingers had gone numb, and you did it until you didn't have the energy to actually drag the sledge all the way back up to the top again. Or maybe you raced up to the top of a sand dune just because. And many of us have come to realise and think and accept that we've lost our sparkle. We've lost the sparkle of our one and only true precious life. And I'm here to say that actually no, that sparkle, that shine is still there. All we need to do is rediscover our energy and our passion and our purpose. And help us to do that, I'm going to suggest that we do three things. And the first one of those things is to just concentrate on taking one day at a time. Whatever it might be, there's always something to focus on in a day that you can enjoy and appreciate. Whether it's the sun coming up in the morning or the rain teeming down and forming puddles in the crazy paving. And in fact, it's often the small things in life that are the big things. The second thing is to appreciate those people around us, those people that we care about and who care for us and that matter. Those are the people that add another dimension to our lives. And the third thing is to focus upon our relationships. Relationships with others, relationships with the environment around us, and also our relationship with ourselves. And be a little bit kinder to ourselves and appreciate that we have to invest in our own health and well-being. And if you do all those things, I'm not asking you to be someone else. I'm not asking you to be somebody different. I'm just asking you to be you. I'm not asking you to be a superhero, but I'm asking you to be the very best version of yourself. I'm asking you to be super you, because you don't have to be Batman or Batwoman. You just have to be that man or that woman. So you see, this tale isn't really about scorpions or frappuccinos or ends. It's about the opposite, actually. What it is about beginnings and how it's never, ever too late to make the most of your one and true, your only special life. Thanks for spending some time with me. My name is Hussey. Thank you.